Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about some current affairs. This presentation is made by Squadron Winged Arrow. So, next slide. Members of Winged Arrow are Commander Yash Thorat, Major Swapnil Shegne, Major Varun Aivalle, and I am Major Swapnil Shegne. Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan assumes charge as Chief of Staff, Western Naval Command. A recipient of the Ati Vishishta Seva Medal and Vishishta Seva Medal. He has held several key appointments in his naval career, including the command of aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan assumed charge as Chief of Staff of the Western Naval Command on Thursday, commissioned into the Indian Navy on 1st July 1987. Admiral Krishna Swaminathan specializes in communication and electronic warfare, a recipient a recipient of Ati Vishishta Seva Medal and Vishishta Seva Medal. He has held several key operational staff and training appointments in his naval career, including the command of missile vessels INS Vidyut and Vinash, missile corvette INS Kulish, guided missile destroyer INS Mysore, and aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. Next slide, sir. Padma Shri awardee Koneru Ramakrishna Rao passes away. Former Chancellor of GITAM, deemed to be university, and former Vice Chancellor of Andhra Pradesh University AU, Koneru Ramakrishna Rao, passes away in November 2021. Professor Rao was an international recognized psychologist, Gandhian scholar, and educator who has written over 20 books and 300 research publications. He was awarded Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2003. Next slide, sir. International Week of Science and Peace from 9 November to 14 November. International Week of Science and Peace, IWOSP, is a global observance celebrated every year from November 9 to 14. It is celebrated to encourage people to develop better technology and cultivate peace in their countries. It was first observed in the year 1986. It was proclaimed as an International Week of Science and Peace by the UN General Assembly in the month of December 1988. Next slide. Nepal Army Chief embarks on 4-day trip to India. General Prabhu Ram Sharma, Nepal's Chief of Army Staff, on 9 November 2021, embarked on a 4-day visit to New Delhi. He was conferred the honorary rank of General in the Indian Army by President Ramnath Kovind, a long-held tradition between the two armies. A similar title was conferred to Indian Army Chief General Naravane when he visited Nepal in November 2020. Next slide, sir. Sir, previous slide. Maharashtra bags top leadership award at COP26 in Glasgow. Maharashtra has bagged the inaugural Inspiring Regional Leadership Award at the U2C General Assembly that coincided with the United Nations Climate Change Conference Summit in Glasgow on 7 November 2021. It also received high commendations in two other categories: climate partnerships and creative climate solutions. British Columbia and Quebec in Canada won awards in these two categories. Next slide. Sanjay Bangar appointed Royal Challengers Bangalore's head coach. Indian Premier League IPL team Royal Challengers Bangalore has elevated its batting consultant Sanjay Bangar to the post of head coach for the next 2 years. Sanjay Bangar, who was appointed as the team batting consultant in February 2021, will take over the Mike Hesson. Sanjay represented India in 12 tests and 15 ODIs between 2001 to 2004. Next slide, sir. Padma Awards for 2021 presentation by President. Former Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan, singer K.S. Chitra, prominent poet Chandrasekhara Kambara, retired civil servant Ripendra Mishra, and others have been conferred with Padma Bhushan. The list of Padma Shri awardees includes social worker Sindhutai Sankpal, musician Bombay Jayashree, British film director Peter Brook, Greek Indologist Nicholas Kazannes, etc. Next slide, sir. Rajasthan Pushkar Cattle Fair began on 8 November 2021. International renowned and one of the biggest cattle fairs of North India began in Rajasthan's Pushkar or on 8 November 2021. This is a 13-day fair, but this time it is restricted only to the cattle trade. There will be no exhibitions, cultural and sports activities, and no foreign tourists to enjoy the event due to COVID-19 guidelines. 415 cattle and 235 camels are a part of it this time. Sir, from this slide, Commander Yash is going to continue.